and welcome back, everybody. If your Telegram is having an SMS problem, if you are not sending code or receiving any code on Telegram, these are the methods you can follow up to head over and fix the issue. So you can start by opening up the Telegram app itself. And once you open up the Telegram app, you can look out for the menu option in the top left and select it. And within there, you can verify your number and ensure that the correct number is typed in the login page. You can just go and check it out. Apart from that, you can start by a simple restart. Hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option and tap on it. And a simple restart should often refresh your network connection. That should also probably work for you. Apart from that, you can ensure that you have a strong mobile data, Wi-Fi, or airplane mode is off. So you can go to settings for that. And within your settings, look out for connections and tap on it and look out for the Wi-Fi or mobile data that you're connected and ensure that both of them are very stable, and then check out if you are receiving code once again or not. If not this section, you can look out for, you know, notifications. So hold up Telegram and go to the info. And within the info, you just need to go to notifications and tap on it and ensure the notifications is turned on. It should be enabled. And if there is any kind of blockers or filters, you can turn it off as well. Also clear the cache for Telegram. Hold the app and go to their info. And once you go to their info, you can scroll down and find the option for storage and tap on it. And within there, look out for the clear cache option in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And also clear the data if necessary, and that should often reset the application itself. And also reset the network settings. Go to your settings for that. And within your settings, you can scroll down and look out for general management and tap on it. And basically look out for reset option and tap on it. And once you do so, you can tap on reset network settings. That should also often resolve your carrier issues that may be happening. And sometimes delay may also occur, so you can wait for 5 to 10 minutes before requesting a new code, and that should probably fix your issue. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.